Hello everyone! Thanks for visiting my channel. I appreciate everyone for watching my last video and sending in your comments. In this video, I have a surprise for you. Frankly speaking, I also surprised myself. Please note that this is not a sponsored video. All the items shown in this video were purchased using my own money. All the assessment are genuine and experienced from my own usage of the equipment. Apple, Asus, Bose, and Sennheiser do not know the content of this video before it is released. Let's go right into it. Now, the surprise I have for you is that I have placed an order for the Sennheiser HD 800S. The order was placed yesterday, and it is delivered today. I chose to order from the Sennheiser website to ensure I get the genuine product. In addition, the website promised a 10% discount for first-time purchase from their website. However, it is not automatic. I wrote inside the website from the Contact Us to get the 10% discount code. Fortunately, the email of the code came very fast. The 10% is a very good discount. It further reduced $249 off the bill, and I get the unit at $2,246. The unit is retailed at $2,799. I received the parcel a few moments ago after a few knocks on my door. The parcel is carried by SF Logistics. They were fast and efficient. I am ready to do this unboxing now. Just before the unboxing and review, please allow me to provide some background of my purchase. I have used Sennheiser Momentum M2 earphones since more than 8 years ago. The earphone is still functioning today. I like the good sound and noise isolation from the surroundings with its silicone buds. However, after 8 years of age, the wires started to become a little sticky and I almost cannot use it now. I have also used the Bose QC35 version 2 headphones. It is a good headphone especially for flights and commute. However, due to the size of the Bose's headphone and box, I tend to travel light with my Apple AirPods. The AirPods do not provide the noise cancellation, but it is fine because I usually communicate during my flight and I also get used to taking seats nearer to front, and it is less noisy. When I started YouTube content creation last November, I have tried to use Bose QC35. However, the noise cancellation effect does not allow me to wear comfortably due to the sound pressure it exerts while generating the noise cancellation effect. I can only say that I am using the wrong headphone for the job. So far, I am most comfortable using the Apple AirPods. It does not have the silicone seal and it is very comfortable to wear until the battery dies off after about 6 hours of use. This week, I have decided to sell away my 6-year-old QC35 after a long time of little use, and it does not fit my current lifestyle because I do less travels now. I also do not carry a large box with me as I like to travel light for business or leisure. I have placed the headphone on sale on Carousel and I am glad that I will sell it to someone who will use it more. I will have to say thank you to my QC35 who has served me well when I needed it and I kept it in pristine condition. I am a fan of the Apple AirPods because of its quality and durable ABS plastic construction. They can be worn for long hours without feeling its presence. The only drawback I see is it lasts only 6 hours. I often run out of battery doing video, and I have to switch to speakers or wired earphones. Up to this point, I still does not explain why I want to get the audiophile grade Sennheiser HD 800S while I can still use the Apple AirPods for my content creation. The first reason is I am selling away my dream headphone, the QC35 from Bose this week. This coming Sunday, I am handing over the unit to the new owner. The second reason goes all the way back to the first audio system that I own, and still using it today. I am using the Audiolab 8000C preamplifier and 8000P power amplifier. For audiophiles out there, you will know these are old hi-fi equipment. So this purchase is a decision to upgrade to either an add-on or a future replacement, into a new minimalist layout offering good sound with smaller hardware after selling away my old dream headphone, the QC35. I am now getting this audiophile grade headphone first and then follow with a good matching headphone amplifier. My decision to choose Sennheiser headphones is due to the good experience with the M2 earphones. It lasted 8 years, but most importantly, the soundstage and sound signature tuned by the brand fits my sound preference. They are often on the clean side and allow prolonged listening. The headphone amplifier will arrive later this week. If you'd like to know which headphone amplifier that I chose, please remember to subscribe to get informed when I release the next video. Now let's go back to the unboxing video.
내 글자 네 눈에 떠올라 잠깐만 아니야 떠오른 그 말 오늘은 그 말을 하기 싫어 그 얘기 많이 해본 것 같아 고백은 조금씩 쌓여